Our next song will be by Levi Eager, Brandon Russell, and Randy Eaton. So this is a write-in from the actual program. And these three have been very busy this holiday season, delivering goodie plates of sugar plums, fruit cakes, and Randy's famous cranberry sauce. So let's hear it for them.
Thank you later. So we are Sons of 7th Ward. And first of all, we're gonna need a girl volunteer. Raise your hands if you'd like to come on stage. Kristen, come on up. Yeah, perfect, right there. Go ahead and move that cord, sir.
All right, okay. We also need somebody else's song. Where's Bishop?
Bishop?
We love you, Kristen!
All right, anyways.
My name's Levi.
Bishop, okay. The reason why we're doing this tonight is because we've got issues. All three of us.
Like we don't know that.
It's just our chance to do this publicly, okay? Basically, us, the three handsome people up here, we've been handsome.
Extremely.
Good looking.
Forgot that part.
Anyways, we've been fighting over this girl for about the last year now.
Probably, pretty much.
Year and a half.
So, here? Okay, but anyways, we like her for a little bit of a different reason than most people would think. We're vain. We're shallow.
Yes.
My mom still lets me know.
So do I.
So basically, we need your help. What's that?
We don't know about it already.
I've never had a tabby.
Let's hear it.
Okay. Anyway, so this is how we're going to explain it to you. So maybe you can have some help. Some explaining, or I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Basically, we put it all together in a song.
Put it all together in a song. Okay, ready? Go ahead.
She doesn't turn your head when she walks down the hall. She may not be that slender beauty, fair and tall. She has some acne scars that populate her skin, but she has beauty emanating deep and from within. Ooh, sweet spirit, you're so nice. You may not appear it, but your soul's a pearl of great price. You're such a good person, sincere and true. You keep rehearsing, and one day you might say, I do. That would be so nice for you. She likes cooking for the new guy in the ward. She makes brownies, but her efforts are ignored. She says, I don't know, I guess the new guy's just sick of me. She's only getting married if they bring back polygamy. Ooh, sweet spirit, you're so nice. You may not hear it, but her soul's a pearl of great price. You're such a good person, sincere and true. Just keep rehearsing, and one day you might say, I do! She made the first to call the line, but my mood tell us go. She lost so many lives, she knows the things she was supposed. She will need a friend, she never fails. When it comes to giving hugs, she tips the scales. Oh, she's nerdy, and you may not want to hear it, We all should be more like her, that sweet, sweet spirit. Ooh, sweet spirit, you're so nice. You may not appear it, but your soul's a pearl of great price. You're such a good person, sincere and true. You'll never hear her cursing. She's such a special person. I wonder who's the worst. Oh, you'll never say I do. Bless your heart.
So, words of advice. Okay.
Be a sweet spirit.